Okay, this is take 3 maybe? Quick video this morning because I've got lots to do today. It's busy time at work. IKEA, went round the technology department and I bought the usual stuff. The USB-C lead that I like, the silicon one. It's nice, that. £1.50, good value. I also bought some lights with the thing of I'm going to take these apart and have a look inside. That's just a simple switch, but it's a really pleasant light. I like that, so I'm going to keep that as is. This is PIR sensor based, so it has a PIR sensor to turn on the lights and has off, on and auto. So if I set it to auto, it automatically turns on, has a PIR sensor at the top, and let's get it in shot. It has a PIR sensor at the top, and that's what triggers the light to turn on and off. I was going to take it apart to show you what's inside, but I can't get inside it without being super destructive. And I mean, yeah, I brought out all the spudgers for this one. There's also a nice scratch down the back now, but no one's going to see that. £3 for that, £8 for that. That's approximately 30 centimeters in length, which is approximately 1 3/4 of a banana for scale. Alright, mate. They're called Colvatten. That's the range. There you go, Colvatten. Same for that. So I saw those, thought, yeah, okay, I can hack them, but I'm not going to hack them on camera because, yeah, see, it's very sensitive as well. I do want to use them for something. I don't want to destroy them. But I did see something that I do want to hack. Vindriktning. I have butchered that name. You're thinking, what the hell is that, Les? It's an air quality sensor. Thinking, why do you need an air quality sensor? Well, I don't, but I thought it was interesting because normally they're £15. So £15. It was £7 marked down, and there's a few of them on the shelf. So I thought, yeah, £7. That could be fun. It's an air quality sensor, so it's going to have an air quality sensor of some sort in there. It'll have a microcontroller in there as well, and it'll also have LEDs, because when you plug it in, and here it is, it's like a mini fridge. This strip here lights up a certain colour, so green if the air quality is good, yellow if it's meh, and red if like, oh my god, get out of the room now, it's horrible in there. So let's get the £1.50 IKEA lead and plug in the back, so it's USB-C. It has a tiny little fan inside it, so you may hear some whine in there, more than usual from me. And if I just prop it up using my Control Z, and you can just see that it's saying that the air quality in here is green, so it's good. Which is remarkable being the size of this room. Let's just turn the light out. There we go, green. Now you're probably thinking, alright, let's plug it into a computer, it's got a microcontroller, you can just access it that way. Well, no. The USB lead on this is just power. There's no serial connection on this, it's just power. All the gubbins are inside this. And luckily, it's been investigated, so it's old. 25th of July 2023, Alistair Allen from formerly Raspberry Pi did a hack on this. And you can tear it apart. Inside you have got pins for serial communication. You've got a power connection that you can use. So soldering on some stuff, and Alistair here has been soldering on a Raspberry Pi Pico W. You can put a Pico W inside this little case. There's enough space, if I scroll down to the picture to show you that. Raspberry Pi Pico W and an Adafruit BME 280 board, if I look at that. So it can do temperature, humidity, air quality. The Pico's in there. It's powered by your USB-C connection on the back, and it's £7. So I'm going to hack this for a video. This is one of my projects for Christmas. I want to get air quality data from this little box and send it using Notify, so I can see what the air quality is like. That could be cool. But yeah, that is the project. We're going to hack around with that, and handily, Phillips screws, yay, so you can take it apart. So yeah, we're going to hack that. That's a project. But not today because time is very short for me. But it will be done this week. Anyway, that's all for now. See you later.